Ready to give your Weverse profile a fresh new look and stand out in the Kpop universe? First things first, navigate to your profile. You'll typically find your current profile picture displayed prominently, often in the top left corner of the app or in the bottom navigation bar. Give that a tap. This will take you to your personal profile page. Look for an option to edit your profile, usually represented by a pencil icon or a button labeled Edit Profile. Click on that. Now, you'll see your current profile picture. To change it, tap on the camera icon or the added symbol that appears over your existing photo. At this point, you'll likely be presented with a few options. You can either choose to take a new photo right now using your device's camera, or more commonly, select a picture you've already saved in your phone's gallery. Let's go with selecting from the gallery. Your phone's photo gallery will open up. Scroll through your albums and find that perfect picture you want to use as your new Weverse avatar. This could be a favorite artist photo, a meme, or even a personal picture. Once you picked your desired image, Weverse might give you the option to crop or adjust it. Make sure your chosen picture fits nicely within the circular profile picture frame. When you're happy with how it looks, tap the Save or Confirm button to finalize your changes. And just like that, your Weverse profile picture has been updated. You've now personalized your account and made yourself easier to spot within the amazing Kpop community.